Weather Channel wishes you a happy Thanksgiving. And now, your local on the 8s.
Currently, the temperature is 38 degrees under sunny skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, partly cloudy, high 47. Winds south-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, partly cloudy skies early will give way to cloudy skies late, low 26. Winds west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. On Monday, sunshine along with some cloudy intervals, high 48. Expect fair skies Tuesday through Thursday, with temperatures in the mid-50s on Tuesday.
Closed captioning hours on the Weather Channel brought to you by Head-On. Head-On applied directly to the forehead.